Okay, guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is still the voice of Niger Trends. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for regular updates. Gbasgbos in the house right now as I speak to you. Parrot toss house scatter. But before then, let me inform you guys that the winner of today's arena game is White Money, Neo, and Soma. They won today's arena game, and now it's all about immediately after this arena game, the parrots that have not talked for a very long time speaks today, and of course, it is Gbasgbos in the house. As Neo said that Angel wants to put Doyin up for eviction, right? And Neon disclosed that with the housemate, and that is what exactly the parrot house said. And Angel said she never said that. She never said that. All right, that's what Angel said. Angel is annoyed that he never said that, but some of the housemates said Angel said it. Like Sissy was like, "Yeah, what you said is, of course." Neo explained what he said, and Sissy confirmed. And so now Angel the para say why Neo come the claim say him be good nigga for her side. Now come go her back they bite him, that kind of thing. So the thing come piece Angel off. Now the girl come the para for Neo say him be stupid ass in the craze, him get mental issue. Now Neo tell her say he the mad, he the craze. So say now waiting tell him for waiting talk for him back. Now the same thing him go talk for him front. So now him be the thing now where they stop here. All right, guys. Of course, this is of course the voice of Niger Trends. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification with Gbasgbos in the house. So waiting the Pepper Angel now be say Neo said that she said she gonna put Doyin off eviction. And recall that Doyin and Angel had a meeting whereby they wanna, they discuss on the housemate they're gonna put up for eviction. So now Angel was like, the way she's reacting, so it looks like say she betrayed Doyin because both of them had a mutual agreement that this is how we're gonna do it. You understand? And at the end of the day, people see the parallel at least.